guys, I made a butterfly mirror. Now I really love the way this mirror turned out, and it wasn't what I intended to make for this video, but then I had a request made by Elle Jackson, and she asked that I make a butterfly mirror. And then I looked into all the kinds of butterflies that we have out there with the yellow and with the red and with the gray and black. So I decided to go with the gray and black theme. Now this is a poster board that I'm going to be using. I folded it into two and drew on half of the fold to make it easier to get an accurate size or an accurate drawing of the overall butterfly. I traced it out. This is what it looks like. I opened the fold and voila, the butterfly. And I'm going to be using this ellipse or oval mirror that I've had for a while, and it comes in this set. I placed it in the middle just to see if it fits, and it's okay. I traced it out first and kept it aside. Now these are shower hooks that I'm going to be using, and I locked the shower hooks in first, and then I'm going to be placing them around the edges at the outer corners of the butterfly design. I glued down the shower hooks using an E6000 glue, and I'm doing this just so that I can create a hidden pattern within the butterfly. I took a trifold board and then I made the pattern of the butterfly, two of it, and glued them together, and then glued on the main design on top of the glued boards. Now I used this black spray paint and I spray painted the outer sides of the shower hooks black. I had two choices to either use silver to cover the rough edges or gold. So I went ahead with the gold just to see what it was going to look like, and this is what we have. And then to cover up these parts with the glue that shows, I'll be using these gems of different sizes. A full list of all the items that I used for this project will be in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And now I took the 1-inch mirrors and glued them inside each and every one of the shower hooks. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I changed my mind and I used silver for the outer edges, just so that the whole color scheme would flow. Now this is a trim, a silver trim that I got from Walmart, and I cut them into different lengths that I'm going to be using to complete the design for the butterfly. I glued them on using a hot glue gun. I got a lot of these lights in the past. Now this particular one is old, but then I will leave the link for this lighting in the description box below. I glued it all around at the back of the design, and then because of the height of the battery pack, I used this to hang it on the wall. It uses a remote that you can easily turn it on and off. I'm so glad that I picked up the request made by Elle Jackson to make a butterfly mirror. I thought it was interesting, but I had no idea it was going to turn out this beautiful. I was going for gray, but then I ended up with black and silver. You can use any color of your choice for this design, of course. And this is such a good way to express your love for butterflies by making a butterfly mirror. I also love the lighting that's at the back because it creates an extra effect for the butterfly. Let me know what you think about this butterfly mirror in the comments section below, and remember to like and share, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.